Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this short video I would like to show you how I removed the balance spring from the balance wheel. This is for ETA 1000. This particular one is a scrap, it's taken from the scrap watch, and on my watch which I'm trying to repair, the balance spring is damaged. I tried to fix it, but it's not ideal. But I found luckily the scrap watch which has broken balance stuff, but the hairspring is pretty good condition. So here I'm trying to remove this hairspring from the balance stuff. I'm using special tool from Bergeon. I will leave the link to that tool in description. So it is very tiny. Before I was trying to use a similar tool from Bergeon, which is for the hands removing, but it was too thick. I couldn't get under the collet. So, but this tool is perfect for this job. So I hope this helps a little bit to you guys who is trying to do it for the first time. And yeah, now in a little bit I'll show you how the broken balance stuff looks like. This is a scrap watch. It's taken from the scrap watch. It was in very bad condition, but luckily the hairspring was in pretty good condition. So I will reuse it on my ETA 1000 project. So here you can see both sides are broken. The tips are gone. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.